lamsogo takoktai bokuk songno ani YouTube channel lo jong tini nailayunai hai kaisa district court ni bukhaktui advertisement lamungman na tayui abongkha duita district ni bisingo kaisa tongo Khowai district tei kaisa tongo Dolai district ni bukhaktui district court ni job notification na tayui abongkha Khowai district ni Office of the Khowai Tripura District Legal Service Authority ni bisingtui advertisement lamungmani abongkha advertisement nong 1 2024 te or jaga tongo abongkha contractual basis 2 years ni bagai rotong phinu post ni buma post angkha first number tongo deputy chief legal aid defense counsel or tongo duita post te oroni education qualification angkha practice in criminal law for at least 7 years ni bagai criminal law wo practice tongo nangnai aboni bagai salary rojaknai 60000 tei kaisa tongo 2 number angkha assistant legal aid defense counsel or jaga tongo 5 ta post aboni bagai nai practice in criminal law from 0 to 3 years tongo nangnai aboni bagai salary rojaknai 35000 okay abo angkha 3 number post office assistant hai khaba clerk or jaga najaknai 1 vacancies ekta post aboni bagai qualification nangnai graduation tei boni loge computer skills nangnai tei good typings nangnai typing speed ngan nangnai aboni bagai salary rojaknai 15000 15000 ओमफ्राय last tongo 4 number office peon hai khaba munsi attendance aboni bagai tongo duita post aboni bagai qualification nangnai minimum 8 pass khane apply khaimannai aboni bagai salary mannai 10000 khaiwi aboni bagai jara apply khaina musungnai daiti thangai apply khaiwi badi district court office o aboni bagai application last date rojakha 4 tarik September 2024 ni bisingo jama maroinai office o thangai nai aboni bagai official website o application form download khai mananai official website angkha khowai@indiacourt.nic.in website o thangai nero application form download khai application form ni loge nerongni document no self attested rowinai jama maroinai 4 tarik September 2024 ni bisingo maroinai Khowai ni ingoi te next oro jaga tongphio Office of the District Legal Service Authority District and Session Judge Court Complex Ambasa Dolai District Tripura Dolai Tripura ni bagai abo advertise tongphio abongkha o jaga same to same post tongo deputy chief legal aid aboni bagai 60000 abo haikha aro 2 number tongo 5 ta post 35000 rojaknai te aro 3 number tongo office assistant 1 post 15000 rojaknai aboni bagai qualification nangnai graduation logebo computer skill tongo nangnai 4 number tongphio office peon 2 ta post aboni bagai salary mannai 10000 aboni bagai qualification nangnai minimum 8 pass aboni bagai application form download ma khainai dolai trp.dcourts.gov.in website o thangai download ma khainai Dolai Tripura ni bagai ingkhe 31 tarik August 2024 ni sarik ni 5 ta tamani jora yachakjaknai ge daiti thangai ro Dolai district ni ngoi daiti maroisnai tei besi somai krikha ani bagai daiti thangai ro jama royone ente ge tini bagai asung friends song video no sajagai tongkha like khaidi share khaidi tei be katal obo hai job notification manani bagai ingkhe ani channel no subscribe khaidi jotono hambai।